Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is all about bedroom lamps. Hope you guys get different ideas for your bedroom lamps. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. In this video, I will be exploring the different types of lamps you can use in your bedroom and how they can enhance your sleeping environment. Hope you guys like my ideas. Please share your reviews at the comment section below and tell me which idea do you want and which type of idea do you like. A well placed bedroom lamp can not only provide essential lighting, but it can also create a warm and cozy atmosphere that can help you relax and the unwind at the end of the day. From table lamps to floor lamps, there are many different styles and designs to choose from, as you can see in my video. So you are sure to find something that suits your personal taste. Hope you guys get different ideas from my video. Please share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. One popular type of bedroom lamp is the bedside table lamp. This type of lamp is perfect for reading in bed or for providing a soft, gentle glow that can help you fall asleep more easily. Some other popular types of bedroom lamps include floor lamps, which can provide additional lighting and create a stylish focal point in your room, and desk lamp, which are perfect for those who like to work or read in bed. Hope you guys explore different ideas from my video. Please share my YouTube channel and subscribe it. Also, press the bell icon for the latest update. When choosing a bedroom lamp, it's important to consider factors such as the size and the style of your room. As you can get different ideas from my video, please share it